Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Delta Force game crashing, not loading, lagging, not launching error on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check network connection. So if there is any kind of connection problem, then crashing or other issues can occur. So you are suggested to use a stable internet connection while playing. Either use Ethernet stable connection or else you can use another hotspot to see if this works to fix the issue. If not, second solution is to clear Xbox cache. So for that, you need to first press Xbox symbol and then move down and choose settings. Next, go to system, select console info. After that, tap on reset console. Then select reset and keep my games and apps. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to check storage. So for that, press Xbox button. Now go to the profile and system. After that, click on settings, then system and then storage. Here check whether there is any available space or not. If there is less space, it's suggested to delete some unused apps or game or other data to create some space, and after that check if the issue is resolved or not. Next solution is to check for Delta Force update. So you should make sure that your game is updated and not running on outdated version, because the developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues that occur during the playing of the game, so that it can improve the performance. So make sure to check the game if there is any update available. Next solution is to check for overheating. So the crashing or other issues on Xbox can also affect the overheating of the device. So you should take care of it and make sure no such kind of objects is leading to heat it up. To check it, you can go to settings, then system, then console info, and then check for temperature. If it's high, then make it cool by placing it in cooler area or waiting for some time before you play. And after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest version and not running on older version. For that, you need to open settings on your Xbox first, then select system, and after that choose updates. Here you should check if there is any update available, and after that click on update option. So once your Xbox is updated, now try to play the game and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. So for that, press Xbox button first, then go to the settings under profile and system. After that, go to the account, then remove account. Here select the account to remove and finally click on remove option. Once done, wait for some time and again re-add your account and then check if it's working now. Next solution is to delete saved data. For that, open Xbox settings. Now click on my games and apps, then select see all option, then click on games and here select game title. After that, tap on menu button, then manage game and add-ons, and finally click on save data. Here delete the saved data and then restart your console. Now check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, the next solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, first press the Xbox button controller, then go to my games and apps and then select see all option. Here select Delta Force or your game. Now press menu button and after that choose uninstall option. Once the game is uninstalled, restart your Xbox, and after that open the Delta Force official website and download the game, and after that again try to play it and check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Simply go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. Either raise a ticket to let them know about the issue, and they will hopefully better guide you what to do, and the issue will be resolved soon. So after that, you can try to play the game and check if everything is fine and the game is not crashing or not launching error and showing other issues. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.